Formal nang naupo ang bagong commander ng 703rd Infantry Aguila Brigade Philippine Army sa isinagawang change of command ceremony sa Barangay Kalaanan, Bungabon, Nueva Ecija. Ipinasa ni Colonel Ronald Bautista ang pamumuno kay Colonel Eugenio Julio Osias IV. Sa kanyang talumpati, ipinabot ni Colonel Bautista ang kanyang pasasalamat sa suporta ng Aguila Troopers sa kanyang panahon bilang acting commander at hinikayat ang patuloy na kooperasyon sa ilalim ng bagong liderato.
To the officers and enlisted personnel of the 703rd Infantry Aguila Brigade, your commitment to our mission and adherence to our core values have been exemplary. Together, we have upheld the brigade motto of duty and honor, katungkulan at karangalan, ensuring the safety and security of our nation. To Colonel Cosby, Sir Eugene. Sir, as you assume command, I have full confidence in your leadership and vision. Marami naman akong natutunan sa inyo, Sir. Punta.
Nangako naman ang bagong talagang commander na si Colonel Osias na ipagpapatuloy ang mataas na pamantayan at magtatalaga ng sarili para sa misyon ng brigade.
So I think I have to sustain and continue the legacy. Well, therefore, be my word. If ever there are revisions, they will be alongside and consistent with the vision and mission of the brigade and the division. I will implement plans of the division and with the guidance of our division commander. I therefore call on all the personnel assigned in this brigade to work seamlessly together as we write the succeeding chapter of this esteemed and storied unit. We shall finish the remnants of communist terrorist group in our area and will secure the safety and security of this area and its people. In this way, we will be one step closer to the attainment of just and lasting peace at the national and also at the regional and local levels.
Pinangunahan ang seremonya ni Major General Joseph Norman Pasamonte, Commander ng 7th Infantry Kaugnay Division, Philippine Army. Inihayag niya ang kanyang tiwala sa pamumuno ni Colonel Osias at binigyang diin ang mahalagang papel ng brigade sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan at seguridad sa rehiyon.
Turnover or the assumption of a new commander. This has been a very long tradition of the military because it signifies yung fluidity ng ating organization. Yung pagpapalit ng command, it's not just changing the commander. It is also bringing up, pulling up somebody to assume a new position, giving him the promotion, but also with the challenge and responsibility. In doing so, God has His own way. Gumagamit siya ng maraming tao. Pero lahat yun nasa plano niya. So, tama lang na ating pasalamatan lahat ng mga ginamit ng ating Panginoon para siya i-manifest. So, with that, to still I know that hindi naman hindi ka na bago sa area, hindi ka na bago sa tropa, kabisado mo naman na yun nandito, and the way you work, I am very confident.
Kasabay ng change of command ceremony ang blessing ng dalawang bagong pasilidad sa brigade para sa kapakanan ng mga personnel at iba yung serbisyo sa bayan. Ginawaran din ng pagkilala si First Lieutenant Regine Inzo bilang outstanding student ng Civil Military Operations Officers Correspondence Course 2024. Ang aktibidad ay dinaluhan ng mga Philippine Army Major Unit Commanders, Brigade at Battalion Commanders, Division Staff, counterpart agencies, local chief executives, stakeholders, pamilya at kaibigan at mga dating commander ng 703rd Brigade. Mula dito sa Bungabon, Nueva Ecija, ako si Lani Martinez Ancheta, ang inyong pamilyang kaugnay.